homemakers, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a real life fall morning routine. I'm going to be sharing what our morning schedule looks like lately, leaving in some of the parts where it doesn't go so smoothly, but I'm also going to be sharing a really delicious immune boosting smoothie that will help fight sickness as we enter into cold and flu season. To wake up an hour before my kids each day, but on this particular morning I was really tired and it only happened to be a few minutes before they did, so I quickly jumped to the shower while I had a chance. I like to keep things really cozy and casual for my everyday outfits, so I threw on this very autumnal sweater, some jeans, and some cozy slippers that I've been loving lately. After that, I head into the bathroom to get myself ready for the day. I just quickly brush through my hair, spray in some leave-in conditioner, and then blow dry it. And then after that, I just add some loose curls. Even if I'm just staying home for the day, I try to put on some minimal makeup. I find that it just really boosts my mood. I'm much more productive, but also it makes me ready for any spontaneous playdates or outings that might come up during the day. Ready for the day, but for some reason I was really tired this morning and got a really late start to the day, so my bed is completely unmade and the kids had cereal on the couch because it's just been that kind of a morning. So anyways, now I am going to go get them ready for the day. I still haven't eaten breakfast, so I definitely need to take care of that. And then after my morning cleaning routine, we are hopefully going to make it to get some groceries this morning, but we will see how the day goes because it is already super late. Anyways, so I'm gonna go get them ready and then just leave my bed for this morning. If I get around to it, I get around to it, but if not, that is okay too. So now I'm gonna interrupt their cartoon and hopefully get them ready for the day. And this is the state of our living room right now because mommy was busy this morning. Yes, you are Coco. You wanna watch TV? Are you my Coco? No! Yes, you are. You're my Coke. I don't usually have the TV on while I'm getting the kids ready for the day, but like I said, this morning was kind of off and I just let them finish up their cartoon while I put their clothes on. This morning, Daniel went to an early morning men's Bible study and came home between then and work to bring me a chai, which he didn't even know I was filming this video this morning, but it's something sweet that he does for me all the time and I really appreciate it. It's really hard for me as a mom to get out, so anytime he brings me something like that, it just makes the day go a little bit better. After that, Daniel went off to work and I finished getting Coco ready and then took Marcus for his first potty break and then got him ready for the day. Go say hi to the camera. Say hi.
Yeah, Coco.
Yeah, that's Coco. Say hi at Coco. Oh, Coco, say cheese.
No.
Cheese. Are you gonna vlog?
Hi.
Maybe you have to say hi, I'm Coco.
I'm Coco. What's your name?
What's Okay, say bye-bye, Coco.
Bye-bye, Coco.
Another thing I like to do to just kind of brighten my mood when I feel like the day is not starting out on the right foot is to light candles because I feel like it really makes my home cozy. I just have to make sure that it's out of the kids' reach, but I also really love to diffuse some oils, and a blend that I'm really loving for fall is to add 6 drops of orange essential oil along with 1 to 2 drops of cinnamon essential oil. This smells so good, just like fall. To some people it smells a lot like pumpkin spice. Okay, so the kids have already eaten breakfast, but I have not, and I'm getting very hungry. So this morning I'm going to be making myself a smoothie because lately I have not been eating the best and I just feel really low energy, and I know with the winter months coming ahead, like sickness is going to be going around and I just don't want to catch anything. So I'm just ready to get back on track health-wise. I've just been grabbing whatever's convenient for me and I'm just really feeling it and my body is just not happy about it. So today I'm going to be using the Pearl Royal Coconut Water. I've always known that coconut water is really, really good for you, but after doing some research on it, I was blown away by how nutritional this stuff really is. So not only is it packed with vitamins like vitamin C, fights sickness, and vitamin B will improve your mood and reduce stress, but it's also really good for your hair, skin, and nails. And the most amazing part is that it fights so many diseases by balancing out the pH levels in your body. There's so much that I could go into, but just do some research because this is amazing. It's also anti-inflammatory and anti-aging. So many health benefits in just one little bottle. And I've tried to drink coconut water and get on a health kick in the past, but I did not like the taste. It was just not palatable to me, so I always mixed it in smoothies. But this stuff is so delicious. It tastes like I always imagined coconut water would taste. It's really sweet and fresh, but there's no sugar added and no preservatives. It's just 100% natural coconut water, and it is so good. And it comes in this really adorable packaging, and the ingredients is just plain coconut water, but they also have a lemon lime flavored one, which is really good as well. And it really tastes so delicious. I could just drink it like this, but I want my kids to have some of it too because, like I said, I want to just fight cold and flu season. So I'm going to be making it into a smoothie that I think they will love, and they won't know that it's super healthy for them. And how cute is the packaging? It's so adorable. You just open it with this little string on top and then pop the straw in, and it's ready to drink. And then inside of it is just a regular can like this. So anyways, I really love the flavor of this coconut water. I'm so happy to have found a brand that I can drink plain because I really actually enjoy it. I will have a link to the Pocus website down below. Shipping is always free, which I really appreciate. So make sure you head down to that link and give this a try after you're done watching the video because, like I said, I'm just blown away that I actually like this stuff. It is tasty and it is so good for you. So to make this immune boosting smoothie, I really did a ton of research on what ingredients would fight sickness the most. So what you're going to need is some fresh ginger and of course some Pearl Royal coconut water. I'm also going to use a whole lemon and a whole orange and then a frozen banana. I like to peel these and throw them in my freezer right when I get them, so they're always there for smoothies when I need them. I'm also going to use half of a cup of frozen mango. You're going to add half a teaspoon of either fresh or ground turmeric. This is what I had on hand, but the fresh would be better. But it's unbelievable the health benefits turmeric has. But in order for your body to absorb all of its nutrients, you need to add in a dash of ground black pepper. The last thing I'm going to do to just kind of sweeten it all is add Manuka honey. The first thing I'm going to do is peel my orange and add it straight into the blender. Then I'm going to slice my lemon in half and juice the whole thing over the orange. After that, I'm just going to cut off about a 1/2 inch cube of the ginger and peel off the outer skin with a paring knife, and then I'm just going to slice that into chunks and put it in the blender as well. If you're using fresh turmeric, you want to prepare it the exact same way as the ginger, and if you're using the ground turmeric, you're just going to add about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon. I suggest starting out with less until you get used to it, and then you're just going to add a dash of the black pepper. I'm going to pour all of my frozen fruit into the blender, add the Manuka honey, 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then cover the fruit with the coconut water. And that's all that's in the immune boosting smoothie. It is packed with so many nutrients that's really going to help you stay well and healthy this season, but it's also delicious and it makes enough for 2 servings. Film myself sipping it for the first time because this is so good. I think even the kids are gonna love it. Oh, it's delicious. Like, I can even taste the ginger and turmeric a little bit, but it just all goes together. It's so delicious. Hey guys, do you want to try some of my yummy smoothie? Oh, Coco!
I kick.
You kicked it, yeah. Marky, can you build it again? Do you want to try it? It's so yummy. Be careful. Is it good?
Okay.
You like it? It's so good for you. Marcus, do you want to drink some of my smoothie?
No, thank you.
Okay, you need to try it. 1 bite and that's all. Here, Marky, try some of the smoothie.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good boy. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Do you want more cocoa?
Yeah.
Yash, do you want me to pour you your own?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to pour you your own, Marky?
No.
No? You're good? Okay.
No, I do it.
Okay, you do it. You like it, huh? It's actually... Oh, be careful, Koki. Oh, she likes it. Chloe's my smoothie girl. She's always liked to drink smoothies with me.
Mommy.
You like it? Oh, more? Okay. Oh, no, don't pull the straw out, baby. Don't pull, just drink it. After we were all finished with breakfast, I just headed in to clean up the kitchen. I didn't get around to sweeping the floor this day. I just went ahead and unloaded and then reloaded the dishwasher. I usually sweep the floors every day, but like I said, I was trying to kind of just catch up on the day. After that, we headed out to the grocery store to go shopping for our weekly groceries. This is a weekly chore that Marcus really loves, especially if it's a store that has tiny little carts because he loves pushing those around. Marky, why are you on Chloe? I don't think Coco can carry you. Is she your horsey? Oh, can I? Yes, I can. Hi, Chloe. You're so cute. Oh.
Go, horsey, go, horsey.
Go, horsey.
Go, horsey, go. Horsey, go.
Oh my goodness. Why don't you go ride your rocking horsey in your bedroom?
Hi, I got go. No, I have it. Hi, oh, hi. No, Monkey.
Hold it like this. The kids hadn't been outside yet today, and so they were really excited to be outdoors. And so I let them play out there while I was putting away the groceries in the kitchen. They were having so much fun. I got some work done and I could still hear and see them. But of course it wasn't without incident. I pretty much always have to get after Marcus to be more gentle with Chloe. Okay, so the kids are now playing with the huge mess in the living room again. And it is nap time now, but I'm going to clean, but I want to clean up the Marky, did you take that away from Koki? Honey, okay, which one can she have? Give her one. Look, she wants to help you. You just have to let her help. No. Marky, do you want to go in timeout for not sharing? Okay, you know what? It's time for nappy time, okay? Uh-oh. Marcus was pretty upset that I started putting the toys away, but it was mostly because he was getting super tired. Chloe has this new thing that she likes to do. If I'm ever on the floor leaning over, she has to jump on my back. It is the cutest thing and I love it so much, but it definitely does not help me clean up any faster. She just gets on my back and just lays there. She becomes dead weight and it's so sweet. When the toys were almost cleaned up, Marcus was starting to melt, so I just took a break and put them down for naps. A lot of the times I get comments from moms asking how I get Marcus and Chloe to go down so easily, and usually they do, but today was one of those days where they just were not ready to give up their toys, and it was past their nap time, so they were just having a little bit more trouble. But they were so tired, as soon as I closed the door, they were completely out. After that, I just headed back to the living room to finish tidying up the toys. So usually the kids go down between 11 and noon, and it's a little bit late today. I just finished cleaning up those toys and now I'm going to be making my bed, which I still haven't gotten around to. But we got a lot done this morning, so that's my excuse. So, funny story, I used to never, ever make my bed. I had the mentality of, why make it? I'm just gonna get into it and mess it up every night. So I usually had an unmade bed. But once I became a mom, everything changed. I feel like it's part of the day that has to be completed, and it helps the day go by better for me. If you experience that same thing, let me know down in the comments below. So I'm done cleaning the house and the kids are still napping. I'm going to take a few minutes to just relax and then I'm going to start editing a video, and that is pretty much the end of our morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that. I'd love to have you be part of my YouTube family. Also, don't forget to check out the link down below for the My Pocus website. Their coconut water is seriously the best I have ever tasted. I love it so much and I think you guys will too. So make sure you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are all having a wonderful fall day and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.